Hi guys, Fred Tittenser with Valley Implement. We're going to talk about jump packs. You know, back in the day, everyone carried jumper cables in their cars and in their vehicles, and on farm and fleet it worked awesome. It was a handy way to get something brought to life. At the change of all the world happening, we have gone to selling jump packs. Jump packs are basically replacing battery cables almost as fast as you can imagine. We don't sell hardly any battery cables anymore, but these jump packs are great. There's a lot of different brands out there. NOCO is the one we endorse. It's been a wonderful company to work with. They have really good quality. I'm going to briefly walk you through how this one works. This model is called the GB30. I'll tell you, this is going on a Group 31 battery on a swather. It's probably a little big, or excuse me, this swather is a little big for this jump pack, but basically I turn that on and you can come in here and see it's just gradually hitting it with that charge. And I leave that on there for about 5 minutes and I'm ready to jump this and it's ready to go. Now, this GB30 would do great for a compact tractor, a small utility tractor, an automobile. A lot of our people buy these to put them in vehicles. The GB750 is the one that if you own like a swather or a combine. We have hooked one of these up before. We've moved to 3 separate combines in the yard that have been dead, and we've moved from combine 1, combine 2, combine 3, all dead, and we were able to jump it with this jump pack by hitting it with about 5 minutes. So they work wonderful. You don't have to worry about the cables, and I can tell you, you cannot hook these up. So if you put the terminals on incorrectly, you will not have a problem. Now it's really handy. I can just charge it here with USB, and it does have a nice light on there as well in case I need to work around and find my way. So the NOCO product has been great for us. We've enjoyed working with this company. GB30 is something that would be great for you compact tractors, something great for a automotive, and if you look at the GB750 that we carry, that'd be great if you're doing combines, large tractors, or something like this swather. So we're Valley Implement, Preston, Idaho, Grace, Idaho, Logan, Utah, and Tremont, Utah, and all of our parts departments have these NOCO products that we'd be happy to share with you. Thank you.